Welcome back to Overall Fitness Gallery, where we dive into the world of health and wellness. Today, we're talking about a food that's simple, affordable, and packed with incredible health benefits: oats. Stay tuned to learn why oats should be a staple in your diet and how they can transform your health. Oats are one of the healthiest grains on the planet. They're naturally gluten-free, loaded with essential nutrients, and super versatile. But let's break it down: what makes oats so amazing? Now that we know how versatile oats can be, let's take a closer look at the incredible health benefits they offer. Heart health. First up, oats are a powerhouse for your heart. They contain a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been proven to lower LDL or bad cholesterol. This helps reduce the risk of heart disease and keeps your heart ticking strong. Supports digestive health. Fiber alert: oats are packed with dietary fiber, which promotes a healthy gut and ensures smooth digestion. Say goodbye to tummy troubles. Fiber is essential for maintaining gut health as it aids in regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Aids in weight management. Feeling hungry all the time? Oats are super filling. They keep you satisfied for hours, helping to curb unnecessary snacking and support weight loss goals. Plus, they're low in calories yet rich in nutrients, making them a perfect addition to any weight management plan. Whether you're starting your day or looking for a quick snack, oats can keep you energized and on track with your health goals. Boosts immunity. Did you know the beta-glucan in oats doesn't just help your heart, it also boosts your immune system. It helps your body fight off infections and stay strong. Beta-glucan enhances the immune system by stimulating immune cells like macrophages and natural killer cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Now that we've explored the amazing benefits of oats, it's time to dive into the kitchen. Let's learn how to prepare a simple, delicious, and nutritious oat-based meal that you can enjoy any time of the day. Ingredients you'll need: 1/2 cup of oats rolled, steel cut or instant. 1 cup of water or milk, dairy or plant-based. Optional toppings: fruits, nuts, seeds, honey, cinnamon, or yogurt. This step allows the oats to slowly absorb the liquid, creating a creamy and perfectly cooked base for your meal. Combine oats and liquid in a small pot. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the type of oats, stirring occasionally. Cooking oats this way allows them to absorb the liquid fully, resulting in a creamy texture that's both satisfying and nutritious. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Let's stay informed, stay healthy, and thrive together. See you in the next video.